To password protect your PDF file, you can use LibreOffice Draw, which is a free tool you can use for working with PDFs, and an alternative to Adobe Acrobat. You can download it by going to LibreOffice.org. Okay, first, open your PDF file with LibreOffice Draw. Then go to the File menu and select Export As, and then choose Export as PDF. In the PDF Options window, go to the Security tab and press the Set Passwords button. This gives you the option to set an open password, which restricts who can view the PDF, and a permissions password, which restricts what people can do with the PDF once it's open. If you set a permissions password, you are then given further ability to control permissions for printing, editing, and making changes to the PDF and copying the content. Finally, click Export to save the password-protected PDF. So now, when we try to open the PDF with any PDF reader, we will be required to enter the password for opening that we set with LibreOffice Draw.